Hey there, my name is Allison Wright, and I'm the Director of Self-Coaching Scholars at the Life Coach School. I wanted to connect with you because we've got some amazing things coming down the pipeline, and I don't want you to miss out. Whatever inspired you to walk through the door of the Life Coach School, whether it's listening to Brooke's podcast or becoming a certified coach, the self-development we do in Scholars is the foundation for all of the big results you hear Brooke, our coaches, and our students talking about. We achieve big results because of the model and the thought work we do in Scholars. Now, I joined Scholars 2 years ago because, like so many of you, I've been in a lifelong pursuit of personal development. I joined because I wanted to grow myself in the areas of money, communication, and self-confidence. I also wanted to be able to feel any emotion and master the model. I got all of this and so much more. We have more programs, courses, and live coaching opportunities than ever before. From new programs like 5 Pounds Stronger with Brooke, courses on time management, inclusion, relationships, over drinking, entrepreneurship, weight loss. There is something for everyone, and there is something for you. I often tell people the weekly private coaching sessions are the most important 20 minutes of my week. This is where you get to bring any topic to your coach, unpack your brain, and work the model in real time with someone who can give you live feedback. So valuable. Get excited because Scholars has even more amazing programs coming your way over the next few months, including Brooke's newest program, the 90-Day Relationship. No matter what you want to achieve, the coaching and tools you have access to in Scholars will help you get there. I can't wait for you to see what we have in store for you in Self-Coaching Scholars. I'll see you inside.